We do a great job of keeping our vehicles clean, from the paint to the wheels and tires, even just the regular interior, but a lot of times our steering wheel gets forgotten about. I'm Kanan, and today on the Way YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how to properly clean your steering wheel. Here's a list of items you'll need to be able to do this properly. First, and for regularly maintained steering wheels, spray some interior cleaner on a clean microfiber towel. Use the towel to grip the steering wheel and twist back and forth. Make sure you spray the cleaner directly on the towel and not on the gauge cluster. That way it won't drip behind the clear plastic, which can't be easily cleaned. For steering wheels that are less maintained, use an interior brush and spray cleaner directly on the brush. Then agitate the area until a nice lather is formed. If the steering wheel has stitching, use the brush to tamp the threads in order to release the trapped dirt. Immediately wipe the wheel with a dry microfiber towel. For heavy grime, spray interior cleaner directly on a scrub pad, then clean the wheel in short strokes. Make sure you use light to medium pressure to avoid scrubbing off color on heavily worn wheels. Then immediately wipe the area before it dries with a clean microfiber towel. In a pinch, you can use a 3-to-1 mixture of water and all-purpose cleaner. You can then use a mixture with a toothbrush to scrub the wheel in a localized area, and then immediately wipe dry with a clean microfiber towel. All-purpose cleaner will help cut through the grease and body oil buildup. Immediately after, use a clean microfiber towel and some warm water to clean the steering wheel 360 degrees around. Cleaning the water will help remove any leftover all-purpose cleaner, and that will avoid prolonged skin contact. If you have access to a steam machine, now is the perfect time to take advantage of its antibacterial capabilities. Use the single hole nozzle on medium and work the steering wheel while wiping up the moisture immediately afterwards. Rotate the towel as it fills with dirt, grime, and bacteria, and be sure to avoid washing these towels with your regular laundry. Steering wheels are perfect breeding grounds for germs and bacteria, but with a little maintenance, we can help eliminate the potential health issues. Now, if you like these DIY how-to videos here on the Way YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you know when we release out new videos. You can follow us on Instagram at way.com_ and on TikTok at way.com. Because here at way.com, it's all about cars. We'll see you next time.